Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video I'll show you how to use ClickUp. So on your browser, just go search clickup.com and you will be directed to this page. You just have to log in before you use this project management platform. If you don't have an ID yet, you can go sign up or log in with your SSO of your organization or the company you're working with. So you just have to fill up your this section, fill in your name and then your email and password. After that, go check your email and put the code that they've sent you, and then you can start working on your workspace. So here you could change the name, or you could click next already. You can change your avatar. Here I'm just changing the color, and you can also change the color theme of your workspace. You could input here the number of people that will be using this workspace and the purpose of this workspace, and then just choose how you heard about them and the project management tools that you use, and then set it up, and then you'll be directed to this page. So this will be your workspace. Now I'll show you how you would navigate through this. So first, let's go through home. So in here you will see the overall view of all of your tasks, your to-do through a calendar right here. So you have like a time block that where you could see your task and your agenda. Here you could see your lineup of tasks and of course your to-do list. So just feel free to explore those if you would like to use those. You can set your goals. You could check your notifications, especially for working with other people in this platform. And then under everything, here is where you will see all of your workspaces or teams. So under teams, of course, you can have multiple projects like this. We have project 1 and 2. Now if you want to add workspace, we just have to click add a workspace and just name it the way you want to name it. You can choose templates or you can customize it. You can of course choose your color and avatar and just click next, and then just choose any of these templates that you want to use. But for here, I think I'm going to use this one. I'll just click next, and then here you will see the different tools that you want to use in that workspace, and then there are other options here as well. So you can now create your space like this. Now as you can see, when you go through the everything tab, you will see all your projects in different workspaces that you are in. And then let's navigate through this workspace. So under workspace, we have different projects that you could rename according, you can name it properly so that you can be organized and you can identify your task properly. For each task, you can assign an assignee, you can set deadlines, you can set it the time where you would need to finish the specific task, and you can set it as a priority. You can add other columns. Usually what I do here is I add the progress tab, so you could see how much you've already finished already. But I also often use the files. So sometimes when I'm working with contents, I usually link gdocs link. So you could do that with every different attachments, file attachments that you are often using. So the same goes with other projects. Now let's try to navigate through this kind of workspace. So as you can see, you have here the to-do list. So you could of course change the name of this one and also change the color. You could rename the task right here. For example, I'm working with partnerships, let's say. And then you can of course type here the description, and then you can add subtask so that you make sure that you don't miss any task that you have to do for that major task. So let's set these subtasks as an examples, or as an example rather. So once you've listed that, you would be also be able to attach files, and then when you expand this major task, you could see the breakdown of the subtasks. And then as you can see here, we have a to do and we have in progress under project 2. That is because that is how you will navigate through this workspace. Let's say for example under project 2, you've already finished the task. You could click this icon and then you can change it to done, and it will go to the done tab. So and when you finish or when you started working with one of your to-do lists, it will go under in progress, and once you're done you can click done again and it will be under the done tab. So that is also the same with other projects that you are working on, as you can see here. So once you're finished, it will go to the done tab, so that you can track what tasks are already done, what task has to be done, and then you can view your task and projects like this in this board, so that you could see how much task, because sometimes you couldn't really tell how much task you already have, and you also want to see the breakdown of the task and its description and the attachments in one card in one section. So this could be really useful. And under board, you could still add subtask to your major tasks. So and then you can expand it so that you could see it more clearly. You could see the overview of your project. So you could do that for other tasks as well. And then when you set deadlines, all the deadlines will reflect on this calendar and in this Gantt chart. Now in this Gantt chart, you could also adjust the amount of time you're gonna work on a certain task. Like for example, you just have to expand it this way, so that if you are trying to get the perspective of how long this task or this project should be done, so a Gantt chart could really be useful. So the same works for other workspaces. And then on dashboard, to make it easy, you could just use the templates that ClickUp already offers. So you have here chat with your teammates, you have here attachments. So this is fully customizable. Task list can also be seen here, and attachments, documents can be edited here as well, and you can work collaboratively with your teammates in this feature of ClickUp. So for example, you're working on content write-ups. So here is where you can type and edit those kind of outputs. So you could also set this as a template, save this as a template, and that's it. So that's how you generally navigate through ClickUp. I hope this helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe.